Hello football fans, welcome back. Harry Kane once again proved why he is one of England's greatest ever strikers. Throughout the FIFA World Cup 2026, the Three Lions captain delivered when it mattered most, scoring crucial goals and leading his team with passion and determination. His world-class finishing and leadership inspired England on football's biggest stage. Harry Kane started the tournament in spectacular fashion. His intelligent positioning and clinical finishing helped England gain momentum early in the competition. Every goal demonstrated why he remains one of the most dangerous strikers in world football. As the tournament entered the knockout stages, Harry Kane stepped up once again. Whether it was a powerful strike from inside the box or a perfectly placed finish, he continued to deliver in the biggest moments. His goals played a vital role in England's impressive World Cup journey. Beyond his goals, Harry Kane led by example throughout the tournament. His experience, teamwork, and determination motivated his teammates in every match. Time and time again, England's captain proved why he remains the heart of the Three Lions attack. Harry Kane's performances at FIFA World Cup 2026 added another remarkable chapter to his international career. His goals, leadership, and unforgettable moments will be remembered by England fans for years to come. If you enjoyed watching every Harry Kane goal for England, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more FIFA World Cup 2026 highlights, player compilations, and football action. Thanks for watching.